Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to perform the test of your garage door opener's protector system. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Your garage door opener's protector system consists of safety reversing sensors, which must be installed and aligned correctly before the garage door will move in the down direction. Make sure the safety reversing sensors are installed no more than 6 inches above the floor. If they are installed higher than 6 inches above the floor, relocate the sensors to the proper height of 6 inches or lower. Make sure the LEDs on both sensors are on solid, showing that the sensors are properly aligned. If the LEDs on both safety reversing sensors are not on solid, follow the instructions in the manual for aligning the sensors. To test the protector system, open the garage door. Place an object that is at least 12 inches high, such as a box, in the path of the garage door so that it obstructs the safety reversing sensor. Use your remote control or control panel to try to close the garage door. The door will not close, and the garage door opener lights will flash 10 times. When a safety reversing sensor is obstructed or misaligned, the LED will be off. If the garage door opener closes the door while the safety reversing sensor is obstructed and the sensors are installed no higher than 6 inches above the floor, call for a trained door systems technician. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.